Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Angeles City. I'm over here at the construction site on a Tuesday, right around 2 o'clock, I guess. Did some video earlier in the week, so we will take a look at that. And then we'll do a little walk around today. Really busy week again, a lot going on, a lot of coordination. So stay tuned and we'll see what's happening. So the electrician got the boxes in, and now he's doing the concrete work around there, right, Jerry? The fun stuff. Oh, and then he got a helper making him some concrete. Look at that. He's a good helper.
Thank you.
In the foyer, and Dax is putting the second coat of primer. Oh, he's putting a second coat of paint. We're getting ready to put the paint on there. And the carpenter is doing a fitting for the steps there. So when they're all done, they're going to take those back to the shop, and they'll do all of the final prep on it there. Then they'll bring them back here to install them. And I think they're finishing up. Hello, this is where the old guys work, right?
Yeah.
This is us old guys hang out here. You all done priming the ceiling, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna paint it?
No, I put that's there is need to
Do a little patchwork. Oh, and here's the young guy in here trying to come in here with the old guys. This is the old guys' place here. Good, yeah. All right, well, let me get in. And here on the side, they have started to tile this little slab here. And Kuya is connecting the AC drain pipe. He's going to connect it into the catch basin and not just connect it into the ground. Well, they're a little more than half done plastering this side of the wall. And then just like the walls on the inside, they'll skim coat this then, and prime and paint. The painters will be doing that. The painters got a lot of work to do on the outside. And rainy season is not obviously the best time to do that. Although today was a pretty decent day. Rained a little bit off and on, but the sun popped out right away. They're fitting the planks up here and marking it. I guess they take it back to the factory or the warehouse and cut it and finish it. And this piece is part of the landing. I'm really eager to see it when it's all finished. I think the next few days they'll probably be done with it. So the painters are outside now, setting up the scaffolding to start on the outside of the house. So we're just about done on the inside. And they are fabricating manhole covers for the septic. And they're cleaning up the concrete around the driveway here. And the window guys are here putting the screens in. And then the outdoor living area, Kuya has cleaned it up nice. And then we plan move the furniture again, because this is what we do here. We move the furniture from this side of the room. You see him sweating because I'm moving the furniture here. I'm helping the guys out. We'll move it from here over to here, and then we'll move it back over to here, and we'll probably move it somewhere else again. Because that's what we do here. Right? Right, Dax? We're going to move it here and then here, and then over here and then here. He's continuing to work on the steps. Very detailed, tedious work here. But we want it perfect. So again, they're gonna fit all these planks all the way up, and then we'll take them back to the warehouse and finish them up. And Ophelia is cleaning out all the grout lines there. So he just cleaned the floor up and the paint off of the floor. He's getting all that crap out of the grout line so we can get the grout in there. We're gonna have to do that. I'm gonna do that all downstairs here because there's a lot of sanding and a lot of fine dust that found its way into that grout line. And even though they grouted upstairs in all of the bedrooms except the master, that white powdery dust got in there, so they're gonna have to dig that out. They may grout it again. And then the window guys are putting the screens in here. That's why we had to move the furniture over here. But then we'll move it back over here. And then the guys on the steps, they're still working along on that. So they're just finishing up Marianda for the 3 o'clock break. So they should be back on the JOB here real soon. So they are pouring the last column here. Got it formed up. Got a stick and then poke it down in there. Make sure it all gets down. But yeah, that's the last one. And then they got this wall, the partial wall. Just talking to the builder. I don't know if this is gonna cut it because the height of the wall here is supposed to be no more than 2 feet above the height of the sidewalk. And you probably can't tell too much on the video, but I think that might be a little bit higher than 2 feet. We're out in the outdoor living area, grouting the tiles now. And the cabinet guys were supposed to be here this morning, but they're not here because they were supposed to put the island in, and then the countertop people were supposed to come today too. But nothing happens on schedule around here. So maybe they'll still come and maybe they won't, I don't know. And then I think that they have all of the scaffolding up outside here to move operations outside here and start finishing the outside. So I spoke too soon. The cabinet guys just came. They dropped everything off with the exception of the bar for outside. But this is the cabinet. It's going to be for a TV, and then a bookshelf for in the office. And then this is for the pantry, and then we got these 2 pieces for the island. And I think they put the rest of it out here in the garage. Yeah, so we got the rest of it out here in the garage. So I guess this is I don't know what this is. I guess it's the rest of the, oh yeah, it's the cabinet. It's gonna sit on top of that bookshelf that I just showed you. And then these are for the pantry, because you need a lot of shelves for a lot of food. We'll be out here over the septic, And the main chamber filled up with water because they had the downspouts running right into the septic. The engineer Steven did that, right, Steve? So now it's all filled up with water, but they don't have a pump. So they're going to spend the next 2 weeks bailing out the water with the bucket, right? Because that's how we do business here. Better than nothing, right? There's no pump. The pump is at another project. That's some good fresh water there. All right, well, let's see what's going on in here. Panel here. So the panel, it's got about all the wires. You see, very, very neat job. But we got a very unique color code here, right, Jerry? We got green wires, yellow wires, black wires, red wires, blue wires, because we ran out of one color wire, so we use another color, right, Jerry?
Yes.
Got to do what you got to do. But he actually color coded. You can see he put a little black piece of wire on the end of it. So the important is that it works and no one gets electrocuted. And the cabinet guys, well, they're putting the exhaust fan in over there. And they got the island positioned, or almost positioned. So that's about where it's gonna be. So we got the water line and the drain there. So they're just they'll cut a hole and then they'll move it back this way just a little bit. You're here in the master bath. I'm just over here with the window glass guy today, and he measured all of the shower enclosures for glass. So here we'll just have a glass door. We're getting tempered glass on the showers. It's a little bit more durable, and aesthetically it just looks much better than the other stuff that's all framed out. But nothing more new up here since the last time I did the video. Just let me see here, the master bedroom walk-in closet, which again, nothing's been done. The master bedroom, and nothing's been done here. And we still, so this is the only room up here that has not been grouted. So we're gonna have to move all of the furniture out of the way and grout. And if you're wondering why I have the furniture in here already, you'll have to watch some of the previous videos because I've mentioned it many times. But yeah, same thing in the spare bedroom. So this will be a sliding, be a fixed piece of glass here, and then a sliding piece of glass door, which will come over to about here because we have the light switch there. That'll be a wrap for this one. Thanks again for joining. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed and you like this type of material, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified the next time I put a new vlog out there. Thanks for joining, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time. Take care.